Sam, I keep getting confused with toward and away. I'm not sure when to use them correctly.
No worries, Samir. It's a common mix-up. Let's break it down with some examples. Toward means moving in the direction of something or approaching it. For example, if you're walking toward the park, you're getting closer to it.
Oh, I see. So it's like when I say, I'm heading toward the park.
Exactly. Here's another example. If you say, she walked toward the door, it means she is moving in the direction of the door. Now, let's try to understand away. Away means moving from something or going in the opposite direction. If you're walking away from the park, you're getting further from it.
So, it's like when I say, I'm walking away from the park.
Exactly. If you say, he drove away from the city, it means he is moving further from the city. Let's recap. Toward is used when moving in the direction of something, and away is used when moving from something.
Got it! So, if I'm going to visit a friend, I'll say I'm heading toward their house. And if I'm leaving, I'll say I'm moving away from their place.
Perfect. You've got it. That's it for today. Understanding toward and away will make your directions much clearer.
Thanks, Sam. Now I feel more confident about using these words correctly.